almost all crushed. One more roll and then it'll crush. Oh. All crushed.
Let Sissy have a turn.
Thank you. Take this roller. I know. Smash it. I know.
So what are you making?
Cookies?
What kind of cookies? Graham cracker cookies.
Yeah.
But they're gluten-free, right?
Yeah, and we didn't have more graham crackers, so we are using Cheerios.
Cheerios. Did they work?
Yeah, a little, but it still tastes sweetie.
The batter still tastes sweet?
Yeah,
Why does it taste sweet?
because we added too much graham cracker.
Too much sugar.
Too much sugar. I think they're all crumbed. Then we open the bags and pour it right into the blender.
Wait. Okay, go ahead.
And if it tastes still sweet, we like do some more. Does it look good?
Try it. Is it better?
A little sweet still.
What about you, Ju? Is it better?
Taste it. Do you think it's better? It's still sweet.